Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix depth camera in your iPhone for your Face ID. So guys, if you are facing the problem that your depth camera is not working and you are unable to set up your Face ID or unlock your phone with your Face ID, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, watch this video till the end to fix depth camera of your iPhone. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you will have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So I simply restart it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this go for the second solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to make it sure that you are using an updated version of software in your device. So guys, for that open the settings and from here tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any update available for you. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply tap on update now and update your software to the latest version, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So after this go for the next solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to reset all settings in your device. So for that open the general section and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and from here tap on reset all settings and reset all settings in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you will have to make it sure that nothing is covering your depth camera in your iPhone. So guys, if you are using a glass protector or a case for your iPhone that is covering your iPhone's depth camera, you will have to simply remove it. So guys, remove it and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So after this go for the next solution, that is you will have to simply reset your Face ID and you will have to give a new Face ID for your iPhone again. So for that open up settings and tap on Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode and from here scroll it below and tap on reset Face ID. So I simply reset your Face ID and give a new Face ID again, and after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.